team. For those of you who are new to Town Center, in the past, getting our bajillion people together on this team to come up with a cute little choreographed dance like our lovely classroom grade level teachers get to do is quite the stressful event that makes me want to slit my wrists. I'm not going to lie. So I think this year what we decided to do was we just kind of got some ideas from several of you. Thank you. And Tina and I just kind of hashed out a plan. So I hope that you don't take offense to me kind of micromanaging this and type A-ing it to death, but hopefully instead you'll appreciate it and not be offended. If you are, so sorry, I can't help you. So our song is Run, Run, Rudolph. And what we are going to do is, first off, we're going to have this banner that Sweet Beth Dilly, would you mind making? It's about approximately 6 foot long. It's going to say TCE Reindeer Games. That's going to be our theme. And it's going to be the Rudolph Run. Beth, we're also going to need you to make, love ya, 2 sets of these signs for people to hold. Run, Run, Rudolph. 2 sets of each one. Okay? So I feel like I've tried to idiot-proof, no offense, this plan for our reindeer games. So I'm not going to read this document to you. You guys can read, but you can read through this and get the flow for what we're going to do. On the next slide, I'll kind of quickly talk through this, just going to give you a cursory overview with a picture to see what we're going to do. But please read this so you know what your jobs are and what you need to be responsible for doing. Okay, so if this doesn't make sense to you, please ask me or Tina, and we'll be happy to explain it, because I know sometimes just talking to somebody is much more helpful than looking at what I'm about to show you. But pretty much what I'm about to show you is what the Google Doc on the previous slide told you. So we're going to do the theme at Town Center. You know, we have on Fridays the specials teachers give the dots on the kids' hands. So that's kind of the theme we're going with here. So here's our track. That banner that Beth is making, love you, Beth, Lisa and Patty is going to hold that for our reindeer games. You'll see your job. We have our dot people who are going to be kind of right here at the front, facing right in front of the kids. We have Julie, Beth, Mike, Patrick. Mike and Patrick are going to switch out with me and Kristen. I'll get to that in a minute, and Kristen and I will do some dotting as well. But to start off, they're the dot people. Okay, and then we have our runners, team 1 runners are Mary and Kristen, and then later we're going to switch with Mike and Patrick. So Kristen and I are going to start off the song. Kristen and I are going to start right here, and Kristen's going to go to obstacle 3. You'll notice there's 4 obstacles. She's going to go to obstacle 3 on the track, and then I'm going to start off. I'm going to go through obstacle 1. I'm going to go through obstacle 2. I'm going to be holding our baton, which is a lovely candy cane that we have in the library, a big old fat candy cane. I'm going to hand it to Kristen. She's going to do obstacle 3. She's going to come around. She's going to do obstacle 4. She's going to get her dot on her hand. She's going to do obstacle 1, obstacle 2, because I'm going to be waiting for her right here at obstacle 3. I'm going to do obstacle 3, obstacle 4. I'm going to get my dot on my hand. And then Mike and Patrick, you're going to become the runners. And Kristen and I are going to go down here and become the dot people. So Mike, you're up first. Patrick, you need to be up here waiting for him at obstacle 3. Mike, you're going to go through obstacle 1, obstacle 2, hand off the candy cane to Patrick. Obstacle 3 and 4, Patrick, you're going to go get the dot. You guys are going to switch. Then Patrick, and then Mike comes around, and then he's going to get his final dot, and then he's going to get the ever so coveted at Town Center, the golden shoe, which in years past, the top runner for, the school? There's like a certain amount of top runners for the school. I don't remember. Get a shoe, and they've spray painted it gold. I have borrowed Miss Laura Fairchild's, her son got it one year, so we have that, and because Mike is our lovely PE coach, he's going to get to celebrate his amazing victory. So what else are we doing? Well, we have one set of cheerleaders over here. We have Tina, Ann, and Candace. They're going to be cheering, holding up those Run, Run, Rudolph signs, so Run, Run, Rudolph, alternating between using pom-poms. Set 2, Diane, Schuler, and Hanson. They're going to be doing the exact same thing for those 3 minutes and 30 seconds, alternating between the signs and and the pom-poms. Don't panic. If you read the Google Doc, you have everything you need. Tina has been so gracious, and her daughter, Sweet Caroline, is a cheerleader with Coppell. So she is going to provide us those pom-poms, and Beth is going to make the Run, Run, Rudolph signs. Love you, Beth. And Tina is coordinating the very, very, very simple, don't panic, tulle, green and red tulle skirt that the cheerleaders will wear. So as noted on the Google Doc on the previous slide, if you are a cheerleader, you will see Tina to get that organized. Super easy. I think that pretty much covers it. If you're confused, please come see me or Tina. We'd be happy to talk it over with you. But I hope that this provides just something simple and fun, and we don't have to meet after school and have 14 to 16 people talking over each other. I just can't handle it. I don't know about y'all. But I hope this works out for everybody. And if you have any questions about what to wear, see the Google Doc. And yeah, love ya. Bye-bye.